What a going good is, welcome back to your girl channel. You don't know, today we're gonna cook some stew peas, but we're gonna do this vegan style. So I'll be using some tofu, and I'm using the firm tofu because we want it to be, we don't want it to be soft and soggy and melt and mash out in our stew peas. So here I have prepared some seasoning that I will be using: some bell peppers, hot pepper, some okra, some onions, green onions. I am going to season my tofu just the way I would season my meat. And I'm using a coconut milk, and I'm using the tin or the can red bean. So you can always boil your own red beans and use them, but just doing a little quick and fast. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to saute the seasoning, and while the seasoning, well, we Jamaican call it seasoning, but you can say your vegetables. And while my vegetables are getting sauteed, I'm going to go ahead and cut up my tofu. And of course, wash your tofu the same way you would have washed your meat. So just allow it to saute just for about 2 minutes, goodies. And I'm going to add some minced garlic. Love garlic. Okay, goodies, so I cut up my tofu. So while we are saute our vegetables, I'm going to go in and season my tofu. So I'm just adding some smoked paprika, garlic pepper powder. So it's just garlic powder mixed with some black pepper and herbs. I'm gonna go in with some all-purpose seasoning. I'm going with my garlic plus. I love garlic, as you can see. This is a very nice one. You can try it out. So adding some more garlic plus, and I'm going to add some onion powder. And I'm going to just rub this in. So added the tofu, give it a stir. Now we're going to add our coconut milk and our red peas. Let this saute for about 2 more minutes before you add the coconut milk and the red peas. Okay, it's looking beautiful already. Adding my red peas. Make sure you add some water and get all of that out of the pan, okay? Now we are going to add our coconut milk. And I'm adding half tin. Let me see if I need to add any more. Let me spin this up and see. Goodies, if you have thyme, add a piece of thyme. I'm going to add some pimento seeds now. I don't have any thyme, oh my god, but if you do have thyme, please add a piece of thyme, okay? Adding the pimento seeds. Beautiful. Now we're going to add a Maggi cube. So goodies, after about 2 to 3 minutes with the tofu soaked up in that coconut milk, we want to remove them with a fork, and then we're going to fry them just to give them a nice crisp. So this is what I'm doing. I'm frying them, and then we're going to add them back to the pot with the coconut milk. Also, my husband likes when I add saltfish, but if you want it the vegan way, don't add the saltfish, but I'm going to add some saltfish. So what I'm doing, I'm boiling out the saltfish right now. So this is my saltfish boiling out, and I'm going to wash it, pick it up, and add it also. Alright? Okay, goodies, so they're nice and crisp like this. We're going to put them back now into our pot with the coconut milk. Okay? So we added the tofu, goodies, and we are going to add our saltfish as well. So that's the saltfish, nicely picked up and boned. Now we're gonna stir this in. Okay, goodies, see it's looking beautiful. So we're just gonna leave this for like 5 more minutes, and then we're gonna see what the final result looks like. Stay tuned, goodies. Remember, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscription button, turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Share the video, goodies. Okay, leave me a comment and remember to like. Okay, goodies, so this is the final result, my friends. Removing it from the heat. This is what it is looking like. I'm gonna dish it out so you can see exactly the beauty of this. Okay, here have it, goodies. Shared it out so you can see the real beauty of that tofu, saltfish, and everything that comes together. Let me know again, goodies, please share the video, subscribe to the channel, man, it's free. And I know you want to see your girl recipes. Lots of recipes coming for everyone. Okay, goodies, until next time, walk good and let the good Lord bless you.